This channel pulled in over 80,000 subscribers and more than 3 million views with just 29 videos. And the crazy part, almost nobody is creating content in this tiny sub-niche of self-improvement. It's wide open, low competition, huge demand. And the best part, you can make these videos completely free using only AI. But before we break down the system, you need to understand who this niche is actually for. Young people between 15 and 27, students, beginners in self-improvement, anyone trying to fix their habits or productivity. And here's why this niche is exploding right now. Everyone wants to improve their life, but most advice online is boring, complicated, or way too long. These channels take big ideas and turn them into visual, bite-sized, scroll-stopping content that's easy to understand and even easier to binge. They tap straight into the psychology of this generation. Quick feedback, relatable characters, small, doable steps that feel achievable. But before you think this is some magic ATM that prints money, it's not. You still need to learn the system. Once you do, though, it's way easier than people expect. No expensive tools, no editing skills, no budget, just AI and a repeatable workflow. And that's exactly what you're getting today. Every prompt, every step, a full roadmap to create these videos from start to finish, completely free. Your channel name, your profile picture, your banner, your image prompts, your voiceover, your visuals, your editing. Everything laid out for beginners. But first, let me show you an example of the exact type of video we're about to build.
Most people treat learning like pouring water into a cup. Just add more info and hope something sticks. Wait, here's the twist. Your brain doesn't store information. It connects it. Throw too much at it. And instead of building circuits, it turns into a knot of messy, tangled Christmas lights. You're not slow. You're using slow methods.
Now let's move into step 1. Choosing your channel name. And do not skip this part, because most new creators completely mess it up. A strong name instantly makes your channel look intentional, not random. So here's what you do. Go to the link in the description, open the doc, copy the channel name prompt, then open ChatGPT. Paste the prompt, hit enter. ChatGPT will generate 10 clean, brandable names in seconds. And this is the fastest way to get names that actually fit the self-improvement niche. But here's where people go wrong. Don't pick a name blindly. Take each name, copy it, paste it into YouTube search. If a big creator is already using it, skip it. If it feels clunky, hard to spell, or way too long, skip it. You want something short, something memorable, something aligned with the niche. Names that feel like growth, habits, improvement. Those instantly click with our 15 to 27-year-old audience. In my case, I chose Daily Edge. Simple, clean, easy to remember, and perfectly aligned with the productivity vibe of this niche. That's the exact direction you want. Now let's move to step 2, your profile picture. This is the step that separates a forgettable, faceless channel from an actual brand. Open the doc, copy the profile picture prompt, then open ChatGPT. Paste the prompt, add your channel name, and hit enter. ChatGPT will generate a clean, professional image prompt tailored specifically to your self-improvement channel. And this is the fastest way to get a polished concept without guessing. Copy that final prompt. Now open any image generator you like. Use whatever works, but for profile pictures, my top picks are Nano Banana, Ideogram, and Riv. I'm using Riv in this example. Create a new album. Paste your prompt into the generator. Switch the aspect ratio to 1:1 because profile pictures need to be clean and readable at small sizes. And hit enter. After a short wait, Rive will produce a set of high-quality concepts that fit this niche perfectly. Pick the one that stands out. Clean, simple, recognizable even when tiny. Download it using the download button, and make sure the style matches the look of your future thumbnails so your entire brand stays consistent. Now let's move to step 3, your channel banner. And this part matters because your banner sets the tone for your entire brand. Go back to the Google Doc, copy the banner prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it in, add your channel name, and hit enter. ChatGPT will generate a clean, professional banner prompt that matches your niche. Copy that prompt. Now jump into your preferred image generator. Use whatever you like, but I'm going back to Reeve for consistency. Open Reeve. Select the same profile picture you generated earlier. This keeps your visual style consistent across the entire channel. Then paste your banner prompt. Hit generate. After a short wait, Reeve will produce a banner that matches the exact style of your profile picture. This is the fastest way to build a cohesive brand identity. Click the banner you like, open it, and download it. Now let's move into step 4, idea generation. And do not skip this step, because this is where most new creators fail. They run out of ideas after 2 or 3 videos and the channel dies. This system prevents that. This is the exact method I use when building new channels. So here's what you do. Open the doc, copy the idea prompt, go to ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit enter. ChatGPT will ask you for your competitors' names and their recent titles. Now go to your competitor's channel, copy their channel name, copy their top performing titles, paste everything back into ChatGPT. And don't pick channels outside your niche. That breaks the system. I've already added the best competitor links in the doc to make this faster for you. Now hit enter again. ChatGPT will start generating brand new ideas based on proven demand. That's the key. You're not guessing. You're reverse engineering what's already working in your niche and turning it into fresh angles. For example, if your competitor has a video like how to study smarter, ChatGPT might generate something like how to learn anything 2x faster. And actually, that's the one I'm choosing. Idea number 5 from my results. And the best part, you can repeat this with as many competitors as you want. More data equals stronger ideas. This is the fastest way to build an endless list of high-potential video topics so you never run out of content again. Now we move into step 5, the scripting process. And this is the part that matters the most. These types of videos live or die by the script. The visuals are simple, so the writing has to carry the message. Before we start, quick note. If you ever need help with writing, editing, or thumbnails, Fiverr is the fastest and cheapest place to hire someone. Pakistani and Indian freelancers do great work starting at just $5. The link is in the description if you want to check it out. But for now, we're creating everything for free using AI. Right, step 6, visuals. To start, we need image prompts. Open the Google Doc. Copy the image prompt generator, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit enter. It'll ask for your final script, so copy your completed script and paste it in. ChatGPT will break your script into scenes, usually every 4 seconds, and generate a visual prompt for each one. For example, if your script says, "You learn faster by focusing deeply," ChatGPT might generate a scene prompt, like a character studying intensely at a clean desk with warm lighting. Copy all your scene prompts. Now open your image generator. I'm using Nano Banana because it keeps the character style consistent, and consistency is everything for self-improvement visuals. You can use Revave too. Combining both gets you more free generations. Paste your scene prompt, hit generate, repeat. Clean, consistent visuals, viewers instantly recognize your channel. That's how you stand out without showing your face. All right, step 7, voiceover. Still images alone won't hit unless the audio carries emotion. Copy your final script, paste it into the text-to-speech tool, and click Synthesize. Wait a few seconds and download your voiceover. You can change pitch, accent, loudness, whatever fits your brand. And it's completely free, for now. Only warning, sometimes it goes down for maintenance. When that happens, switch to Minimax Audio. They let you clone a voice 3 times for free. Just make sure the voice you pick matches your niche. Calm, clear, confident. That's what keeps viewers watching. Next, step 8, editing. Drop your voiceover into the timeline. Cut every gap. Clean pacing keeps viewers locked in. Add your visuals next. Change scenes every 4 seconds. This prevents viewers from zoning out and boosts your retention rate instantly. Add simple motion. Position and scale keyframes are enough. Add light sound effects for polish. Don't overdo it. Clean and simple wins in this niche. This is what separates average channels from channels that grow fast. Now the final step, and this one decides whether your video gets clicked or ignored. The thumbnail. Your thumbnail is 80% of your click-through rate, so don't treat this lightly. Go back to the Google Doc, copy the thumbnail prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Now go to your competitor's channel. Take a full screenshot of their thumbnail and paste that image into the prompt. Hit enter. ChatGPT will analyze the competitor's thumbnail, colors, layout, subject placement, emotion, and generate a structured thumbnail prompt you can use to recreate that style. This is the fastest way to make thumbnails that look like the top creators in your niche. If you want a full walkthrough on thumbnail creation using AI, I've already made a detailed video on that. Check it out after this one. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.